Alright, approximately 25 yards. I'm going to go ahead and shoot this, and I'm going to spin the board. We're going to see if these 22s go through that board. Approximately 25 yards. As you can see by the white marks, yep. Try to zoom it in a little bit. There you go, a little clearer. Oh, those white marks. Where the bullet went through. Where, how about the 9? Haven't shot it yet, so see. We'll see. Okay, obviously you can see the difference where the 9s went through. It's not like these just little light marks like you see up top and towards the bottom there. Right there on the left hand side right there. Actually you can see those. I had 2 of them come through there, so anyway, here we go. Just to summarize, it's 25 meters, 22 pistol. A bunch of shots. As you can see, the lighter ones are where that 22 went through at 25 meters. And then the bottom left, or whatever, however it shows up on the screen, it'll be, that's 9 mils. I went 2 through there. You can see the whole differences. So, anyway, take it out to 50 meters and do the pistol again. And do my, probably my 995. Zero that in a little bit, and then we'll take it out to 100 meters. That's it for this one. Bye.